What's the meaning of bramble? Bramble. Bramble.
Bramble. Bramble. Bramble refers to a thorny bush or shrub that is common in many parts of the world. It typically produces small, edible fruit that are commonly used to make preserves and other culinary products. The plant's tough, thorny branches and leaves can make it difficult to harvest the fruit, but many people feel that the juicy, flavorful berries are worth the effort. Brambles can also be used to create natural barriers or hedges, as their dense growth habit makes them effective at blocking out unwanted intruders or noise. In literature and folklore, brambles are often associated with themes of danger, temptation, and hidden obstacles.